Hello, grade 10 students. Welcome back again my to another one of my math tutorials. Today we're going to be learning a topic called kinematics. So, kinematics, there's three things you need to know in kinematics. You need to know something called distance, velocity, and acceleration. So all of these three things is what we consider in kinematics. And each distance, velocity, and acceleration, each thing here has its own function. So the distance function is represented as s bracket t. Velocity function is represented as v bracket t. An acceleration function is represented as a into bracket t. So these three are the functions for kinematics. So when we talk about distance, distance is anything. It can be meters, kilometers, anything. But in the velocity function, the unit of the velocity function is meters per second. I forgot to write distance. It can be meters, kilometers, centimeters, yeah, etc. And the acceleration function is meters per second squared. So, another thing I need to explain to you guys is that if you want to find each part, like if you want to find velocity, if you want to find acceleration, the distance is fixed. But for example, if you're from distance and you want to find velocity, it's the derivative of different distance is what you get for velocity. And if you're moving from velocity and you want to find the acceleration, it's the derivative or differentiation of velocity is what you get for acceleration. So let me give you an example of a function equation, and we're gonna use them to find the derivatives to get the velocity and acceleration. So example, f of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 4x minus 7. So if you're from distance and you're told to find the velocity, for example, but first, before I explain the rest, let me find the derivative of this cubic function. So two, it's 6x minus 6x squared minus 10x plus 4. So this is the derivative. If you're told to find the velocity, this is your equation for velocity. And I forgot to say the original equation is the distance. And if you're told to find the acceleration, it's the derivative of velocity. So f of x again is 12x minus 10. So this is acceleration. Now, if you're in distance, you can be told to find the velocity of the distance if s is equal to 2, for example. So what to do with this s is equal to 2 is to plug it in and substitute it into this equation is what will give us our velocity. So for example, we're gonna use this function here to substitute R2. So it would be f dash x is 6 times 2 square minus 10 times 2 plus 4. It's gonna be 12 squared minus 20 plus 4. F dash x is gonna be 144 minus 20 plus 4. Then our velocity finally is going to be 128 meters per second is going to be our VT of this equation. This is an example of how we find the velocity. So if we want to find the acceleration of this equation, let's say find the acceleration if a is equal to 4. So what to do with this 4 is to plug it into this equation, the acceleration equation right here. So it would be f dash x is equal to, yeah, 12 times 4 minus 10. So f dash x is equal to 48 minus 10, and f dash x is equal to 38 meters per second squared as our AT. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you now know how to solve the kinematics, and if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel, and please comment below in the comment section if you haven't understood my solutions in this video. So I'll see you guys again soon on a topic called surds, and thanks for watching. But for now, good luck.